Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the SEO optimization tool in the all-powerful Builderall platform. So you're going to want to see this. Stick around. We'll be right back in just a moment. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kevin Lehner with freedommotivator.com. And if this is your first time here, what we do here at Freedom Motivator channel on YouTube is we do how-to videos, affiliate marketing videos, entrepreneurship videos, any videos related to making money, and once in a while we throw in a motivational video for you. Okay? Alright, and also if this is your first time here too, you want to make sure you reach down there and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ding dong on that bell so you get notified when we post new videos, okay? Alright, thanks a lot. Alright, with that said, and out of the way now, today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the SEO optimization tool in the all-powerful Builderall platform. So we'll go ahead and get started right in on this. And what I've done is we'll go to the Builderall website here. Now, we'll do a little review of Builderall in case you're new to it and you don't know much about it. Builderall is known as one of the greatest marketing platforms for marketers in the whole world. And the reason why is because it has everything all in one platform for one price, one steady price every month. There's no increase in the price or anything like that. It's just one small price, which I'll show you the plans here in a little bit, and it's just a very powerful platform for marketers. If you're into internet marketing, entrepreneurship, and making money online, then this platform is it's definitely for you. Okay. All right. So let's do a little bit of thing here. I'm going to switch over here. Give me just a moment. I need to switch over to my other monitor here, and we'll get right on that real quick like here. And there we go. Alright, so this is the website right here, and builderall.com, the home page. And this thing has got so much to it. I mean, there's so many tools and so many things that you can do. I'll just go over just a few of them here because it is so magnificent in its capabilities and the things that you can do and the creativity that you can have with this platform. Okay. It's got some of the things are you can build websites. Now they'll host websites on this platform for you, and you get a certain amount of space to host a website depending on the plan that you choose, which I'll show you the prices to it here in just a moment. And you can build websites. You can it's got all kinds of things. Basically talking about building. They got different. You can build. They got drag and drop builders. Basically just point and click builders. I mean, it's very easy to build a website or landing page or opt-in page, whatever websites. Those are known as websites too on this platform. And of course, you can integrate Facebook Pixel and Google Analytics right directly in this platform. In email marketing with the Mailing Boss autoresponder, that's included too. That's all right in this platform, and it's an unlimited emails, unlimited leads, unlimited everything with this Mailing Boss autoresponder, and it works really good. I use it myself. And create sales machines. They got built-in webinars. You can do built-in webinars here. So these are just some of the things. You can work with Facebook Messenger chatbot integrations in your marketing. They got a virtual education tool. These are the platforms that they'll, you can connect up with this site too, such as like Aweber here and Facebook, and MailChimp and a lot of the other ones you can connect with along with their own. There's GetResponse, JVZoo, all these ClickBank, all these different platforms that you can connect and work with right from this platform here. You can make 3D images, you can make videos right here on this website, and you can do what's called floating videos. That's something new. I'm just learning about that myself. Create floating videos for your customers and your marketing too. I may do another video on this alone here once I learn a little bit more about it myself, so I can give you guys some good value on that. And there's just all kinds of things. I mean, it just goes on and on and on and on. I mean, it's just this platform is just loaded, and it's all in one. You don't have to. Like with ClickFunnels, a lot of people that may use Aweber, then they got to go to ClickFunnels to make their websites and then connect up lead pages for others, landing pages. I mean, you can do the same out there on the web in all the different places around and pay all individual prices for each one of those when you can just pay one price with Builderall and do it all in one place. And then here's their plans right here. It starts at $9.90, and you get quite a lot here for that $9.90. And then the next level is the $29.90 level, and you get even more features with it. And as you can see, it goes down even more features there. I mean, it's just this platform just for the $9.90 a month is just incredible. And then the $49.90. The reason they have that one, I mean, you get all the features and you get more features. The only difference is you get the more features because you have the right to sell the platform as an affiliate, which is where I'm at. This is the level I got in at the $49.90 level, because I want to be able to use this as an affiliate and make money from the Builderall platform myself, which, by the way, you can look down there in the links in the description, and you'll see my link for a free 7-day trial of the platform here to see if you like it. And then if you do, which there's no doubt in my mind, I don't see how anybody couldn't like it. Everything is right on one platform here. So you can take a look at it for 7 days for free, see how well it works for you and what you like about it, and then if you want to join, go ahead and join. All right, so yeah, appreciate it. You click the link down there below and sign up with me with Builderall, and come on in. If you have any questions, I'll be happy to help you with that too. Okay. All right. So yeah, you get quite a lot. It's just incredible the amount of tools and the creativity ability of this platform is just out of the world. It's just, in my opinion, it's the best platform in the world because it's all right in one. You pay one price per month, whatever package you choose, and it never goes up. Amazing stuff. All right, now, so let me get to what I was going to talk to you about today, about using the SEO optimization tool and how you can check the SEO optimization quality of your web pages if you have websites, and you can do it with any website in the world, and so on and so forth. So what I'm going to do is log into my back office here, and we'll get right on this and show you here. So once it loads up here, alrighty. Alright, so all the tools are here. I mean, it's got all kinds of stuff here, but now what we'll do is we'll come over here to the left side, and we'll go down to, I believe it's these applications right here, yeah, and the SEO on-page reporting tool. Okay, click on that. Now you can find out how well your site or your page or your blog post or whatever you're trying to rank in the search engines, high in the search engine. You can check it right here and see how good it is, and if it isn't, it'll actually give you a grade. Now I'm going to use, I know I've already checked mine on my website, so I'm going to go to my website up here, and we'll use it as an example so you can see how this works and what you see. Alright, so open up my website, freedommotivator.com. Alrighty, and I'm going to go to the blog, and I've already written about 4 different articles here. Now, this this one here I know is a good one. There's a couple out of the 4 that aren't good, and 2 of them that are. Alright, so I know that this one's good, and so what I do is just come to the blog page, take the link up here, and copy that link, and then come back to the Builderall report tool, and then what I would do also is grab a keyword to verify it against, right? And these are the tags or the keywords that I used for this particular article, passive income ideas for 2019. So if I take just one of these, let's see here, we'll just take this one right here, which is the title of the blog article right here. Alright, I'll bring that back to the tool here, put that in as my keyword, and then I'll come back and get the link to the page so it can check the whole page, right, and tell me where I'm at. Paste that in there, and then just click send. And as it comes down, it'll tell you how good your blog post or your web page or whatever site it is you're doing, how good it will rank in the search engines according to the way you currently have it. And if it doesn't, then you can make the adjustments. It'll even tell you what's good about it and what's not good about it, and you can make the adjustments on your website or web page or whatnot. So here's right here, it's giving me a grade of a letter A. So this one, apparently this page or this blog post that I'm using is SEO optimized pretty good. Got a grade of an A, and it tells you a little bit down here about that. It shows you some other factors here, and it gives you a rating: 4 out of 4, 3 out of, or 5 out of 7, 7 out of 9, so on and so forth. It gives you a page detail analysis for each thing, and it's accessible to search engines, and each one has a little bit of read more about it, so you can learn more about what each one of these particular categories that it grades your page with. And so all these that are checked are good for the page detail analysis. And then you come down to high relevance factors. They've got 5 out of 7, and it tells you a little more about them here. And then down here, moderate relevance factors, 7 out of 9. And so we're doing pretty good there. It talks about the exact keyword usage in the document, keyword usage in image, meta description, sufficient quantity of characters in the content, quantity of words in the content, appropriate characters in the URL, so on and so forth. There's a lot to go through here. And like I said, you can read about each one of these categories, read more information about them. And then low relevance factors, appropriate keyword usage in the home tag, the head tag of the site or the page or the post, and appropriate page title length, avoid keyword self-cannibalization. Not quite sure what that is. I'd have to read more about that one myself. And then to come on down, meta description usage, not more than one, H1 tag, and so on and so forth. And then optional factors here, got 4 out of 5 of that. Appropriate meta description length, employed external links. You want to make sure if you have a blog post or you're writing a blog post on your website, you want to make sure you have backlinks, right? So backlinks also help your post rank up in the search engine too, as well as internal links. And then it shows keyword placement in the heading tag, and then the canonical URL tag usage, and so on and so forth. So that site, that particular post, I got a grade of A out of that. It's good. It's optimized really good. Okay, so let's come over here. Let me show you one that I checked the other day that's not really optimized too good, which I'm going to have to work on and get straightened out. That one was, I believe it's this one I recently wrote, Income Ideas for 2019 here. So if I come down, I take one of these keywords, which I did not do good with my keywords on this, so I'm going to have to come back and straighten this out. And let's see, I don't see, none of these keywords are even relevant. I don't know why I even put those in there. I didn't do a very good job of doing keyword research before I wrote this article, obviously, but I'll just show you. So if I bring back a keyword and throw it into the keyword area here, and okay, and then come and get the link again, just like we did before on the other one, right? And then throw that link in here, and then go ahead and hit send, and it'll analyze that particular page. Okay, and so see, it gave me a grade of D here. Not very good, almost an F. So that tells me it's not optimized really good. So I'm going to have to come back and work on this and straighten this thing out a little bit. I guess I was just in too big a hurry the other day when I wrote this article, but thank God for this tool, which is able to show me where I need to fix, the areas I need to fix with this article that I wrote here, right? So again, you can see down through here all these different things. I've got the overview of these things here. Critical factors 3 of 4, relevance factors 3 of 7, so on and so forth. 6 of 11, not really good. That's why they gave me a letter D on this particular blog post here, which I will have to come back and straighten out and make it better. So as we see down through here again, these certain things, I've missed out on quite a few of these. This one here, I missed out on low relevance factors. I missed out pretty bad. And then the optional factors, I missed out pretty bad on that too. So see, I'm still going to have some work to do myself, but I'm glad for this tool, the SEO on-page report tool in Builderall. Okay, so that's what I had for you today, guys. That's what I wanted to show you, how to use this particular tool in the Builderall platform. If you like this video and you got some value out of this, reach down there and hit the thumbs up button for me if you would. Okay, and also don't forget to check out my links down there in the description below. Also, I'll have the link for the 7-day free trial of the Builderall platform. If you're not a member of Builderall and you're a marketer and you need a good home place to be to work with your marketing, click that link down there and sign up through my link and check it out for 7 days for free and see if you like it, see what you think of it yourself. Okay, also click down there, you'll see my link for my #1 recommended business, and you can get over $3,600 worth of free bonuses to check that business out. Okay, alrighty guys, that's what I had for you today. Hope you got some value out of this. I'll look forward to seeing you guys here again in a couple days on the next video. Okay, alright, you guys take care. I'll see you later. Bye bye now.